13-4. And we'll take a look at 13.3. Take some kind of shortcuts here. We've learned how to do, some of the correlation stuff, and so, but it asks us to do a couple other things here. First, it gives us this problem. It talks about the company that wants to see if advertising has had an effect, hopefully a positive effect, on sales. And so it gives us the data, which we've downloaded, and it asks us which variable is dependent. That's our first question. And so for 3 anyhow, the sales becomes our dependent variable, because we're trying to see if the airings, which are set, really have had an effect on sales. And so sales are dependent, we hope, on the number of airings of advertisements in that area. Okay, so that's A. B, it says do a scatter chart. Again, thank you for Excel, and here we go. So we come up, let's go ahead and kind of highlight that data there, and then go to insert, and this one kind of looks like a scatter chart, doesn't it? Yeah, insert scatter XY, there you go. Okay, click that. Yeah, that's dots. I could change it to the diamonds like I have over there probably if I want. The ones with the lines in it don't make any sense, so don't do those. Okay, bubbles are kind of cute. You could do bubbles. Okay, more scatter charts, so you could even get more, but this one will do, right? Okay, pretty good sized. We could grab it and make it a little smaller, right? For our purposes, that's going to be fine. And I've already done that, and obviously I must have gone in and decorated it up a little bit and put the diamonds in and whatnot. So delete that, and then it says determine the correlation. Okay, and so I'll let you do this one the easy way. Go to our data, our data analysis, correlation. Here's our deals, and it's in columns. We want labels. Output range, let's go to here for now, and hit OK, and there we go. Yep, just like the one that I had. And then lastly, it asks us to interpret those results, and that's important, and I didn't talk about that on problem 2, so if you didn't do it for problem 2, you might want to go back and make sure that you do. But when we interpret our results, the best probably place to look to give us an idea of what we want to do there is the top of page 431. And if we're at 1, positive 1, we've got a perfect correlation, positive correlation. If we were at a minus 1, okay, and our answer is always going to be somewhere between -1 and +1. So if we're at a -1, we're at a perfect inverse relationship. Okay, and then it tells us, at about -0.5 to -0.5 or +0.5, we're at kind of a moderate relationship there. Okay, so as you're approaching 1, you would call that a very strong correlation. Okay, and we're at 0.93. We're just a little bit below 1, so we would call that a very strong relationship between, very strong, and I should say positive relationship. I better even make that correct. Very strong positive relationship between airings and sales. There you have it, 13-4.